Ever heard of a financial app that rewards you for spending? That's KOHO in a nutshell. But with all the exciting features like cashback and interest on your savings, a big question pops up: how much moolah can you actually stash in your KOHO account? Let's face it, nobody wants to get halfway through their financial spring cleaning only to realize their dream financial fortress has a surprisingly low capacity. Worry not, KOHO comrades. This video dives deep into the nitty-gritty of KOHO's account limits, so you can plan your financial future with confidence. First things first, KOHO offers different account types. There's the free Essential plan, perfect for dipping your toes into the KOHO world. Then there are the paid plans, Extra and Everything, which unlock bonus features like higher cashback rates and credit-building tools. But do these plans affect how much money you can stash away? Nope. The good news is that KOHO's load limits, the amount you can transfer into your account, are the same across all plans. Here's the breakdown. Daily load limit: this is the maximum amount you can add to your KOHO account in a single day. Think of it as your daily deposit allowance. KOHO keeps things reasonable at a cool $20,000. Monthly load limit: this is the total amount you can transfer in over a month. Here, KOHO allows you to be a real financial superhero, with a whopping $40,000 limit. So, whether you're on the free plan or a premium member, you can load your KOHO account with a significant amount each day and month. That means you can set up your paycheck direct deposit, transfer savings from another account, or top up from your emergency fund, all without worrying about hitting a limit. Now, let's talk about that sweet cash you've so diligently loaded. How much can your KOHO account hold on to for dear life? Buckle up, because this is where things get interesting. KOHO has a maximum account balance limit of a staggering $50,000. That's right, folks. $50,000. This means your KOHO account can transform into a full-fledged financial fortress, capable of holding a significant chunk of your hard-earned cash. Here's the key takeaway: KOHO offers some seriously generous limits. Whether you're a casual user or a financial planning guru, you have the flexibility to move and store a substantial amount of money in your KOHO account. Important side note: these limits are for loading money into your account and your overall account balance. There are separate limits for daily and ATM card transactions, so be sure to check KOHO's website for those details. KOHO Cash Recap: you can load up to $20,000 daily and $40,000 monthly. Your KOHO account can hold a maximum balance of $50,000. That's plenty of space for your financial fortress. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy KOHO NG.